Hi guys, ayan, nakarent na kami ng bola. So, may mga frame dito guys. Ayan si ma'am, nag-billiard na naman. Pwede ka tumambay dito guys. And then dito yun, overlooking. And then yung basketball court. Yan lang namin nakita. Meron pa na sila ditong campground.
Go Claire, hit it! Yes! Yeah! Ah!
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa Andrea Judge TV. And another day dito sa Branson, Missouri.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away
Saya ka?
to a place where we don't know.
Isa sa ano to no? Sikat na gas station.
About to see
World famous jerky. Yan siya kalaki.
what we can be.
Brisket.
Life with no
Tallest cross in America, guys.
away. This is what we waited for.
Ito na tayo. Yung cabin natin. Dito kami ngayon sa activity center. Nagpaana. Ate, ito na yung first na kalaban mo.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
So, dito yung ano, yung bilihan ng ticket. Overage ka na ba? Guys, ito, mataas lang area to. Go Clay, jump, jump, jump. Oh. Yeah, I got it. Oh my god, look at this guys. Woo. Let's go. Ayan guys, oh. Let's go. Good morning. Ito, katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Kumain kami ng lugaw and tokwat baboy and yung palabok, no? Grabe.
Thank you so much.
Wala na,
Jessica
di
and
na kami gumastos talaga dahil dito sa ating subscribers turn into friend, no? Na sila Cheska and James. At syempre sila Janine na din kasi nakausap namin sila kahapon. Ayun, saka si yung husband niya, si Juan Miguel, saka si Miggy, yung anak nila.
din sila sa atin.
Yes.
Thank you, Janine.
Thank you guys. And guys, nagre-relax lang kami. Nag-coffee na ako. And si Andrea, hindi pa tapos yung coffee niya.
Tapos guys.
And ito si Klein guys, oh.
Excited na yan.
Excited, bro? Say hi. Hi. Ayan. Inaantay na lang namin magbukas yung swimming pool. Pero ano nga ba yung mga lakad natin for today?
Ang main na lakad natin is yung Shepherd of the Hills. So, excited na ako kasi ang dami nilang attractions na pang kids. Since mag-Easter na,
Yes.
meron silang parang Easter egg hunt doon.
Oh.
So, pwede ka din may mga farm animals sila. So, pwede mo silang
Yeah. Ang gusto ko
i-pet.
i-try dun yung yung coaster.
Yes,
Saka
meron
zipline.
din silang yung coaster,
Mm.
which is, I think, hindi ko na maalala, pero sobrang taas
Yes.
niya. And then, meron din silang Inspiration Tower. Yun yung pinakamataas na tower dito. So, makikita mo yung buong Ozark Mountain. So, ang dami pa nila.
Dami.
Meron pala silang mga zipline, may treetop walk.
Yes.
So, yun,
Uy,
abangan nyo
excited.
guys.
Yan.
Kasi, excited kami dahil ang daming activities for the kids.
Yung last resort nga namin na napuntahan or last attraction area na napuntahan namin dito is yung Top of the Rock.
Yes.
So yun yung kami, yung napanood yung cable cart hindi nag golf cart kami and nilibot namin yung yung mountain. Ngayon, Shepherd of the Hill naman. And may mga side kaming gustong puntahan like yung largest cross dito sa United States of America. Saka kung may oras pa yung Table Rock State Park.
Yes.
Yan, sabi nila kasi maganda daw doon. Sabi ni Andrea, meron daw parang welcome center doon na may kita mo yung buong Table Rock.
Yeah.
And then baka mamayang gabi mag-chill kami, doon kami mag-dinner sa sa Branson Landing. Ayan. Ang kagandahan kasi dito guys, pag nasa Branson ka, malalapit lang. Magkakalapit na talaga yung attraction. So hindi ka magbibiyahe ng malayo and talagang siya, vacation city siya. Itong Branson, Missouri. Kung gusto mong mag family vacation, stay away from the city, Ayan, Branson, Missouri. Kasi talagang nasa taas to eh. Parang Baguio. And kung makikita nyo guys, oh, yung mga bahay, oh.
nasa
Nandun, oh.
mountain.
Mountain and stuff. Ayun. And nandito kami sa bungad na area ng ano, no, ng Holiday Hills. Yan, mamaya inantay lang namin magbukas yung pool and baka yun yung unang activity namin kasi hindi nga namin na-experience kagabi dahil nagkaroon ng emergency.
So kung worst case hindi pa talaga bukas, ang una namin gagawin is libutin lang muna yung resort and then dito ulit magsiswimming yung mga bata.
Mga bata sa jacuzzi.
Sa jacuzzi. Kasi yung jacuzzi, mataas siya.
Mataas, saka malaki. Ayan.
Yes, enjoy na enjoy. Sulit na si Klein. Kasi,
Saka si Claire, doon sila nag-swimming kagabi.
Oo.
Ayan. Ayun guys, siguro update na lang later para hindi masyadong mahaba yung vlog. See you later.
Ayan guys, good morning again. And papunta na kami sa, ano no?
Pool area.
Yes, dun sa activity
Sana bukas.
center, pool area.
Kaya kung nakita nyo sa last vlog, yan, tinuro namin kayo doon. Andun lang oh, pakita mo. Andun.
Yeah. Ayan. So, ayan yung activity
Pwedeng lakarin,
center registration. Ayan yung indoor pool. Kahapon, ay kagabi, sarado. So, I'm not sure kung
Bukas na.
bukas na.
Tingnan natin. Guys, no, kami muna bababa.
Oo. Oh no. We'll see.
Guys, ito na. So, ang bukas ng ano, Sunday, 12 to 10. Mukhang gabi pa tayo makaswimming ha.
Oo nga.
Bathing suit pa kayo. Mukhang sa jacuzzi na naman. 12 o'clock pa yung bukas na ito guys. Ayan.
Yeah. So, mag-ano muna kami. Maglilibot muna kami dito sa loob.
Sa loob ng ano.
Holiday Hills Resort.
Yes. Kasi, yun nga, 12 o'clock pa. See you na lang.
Magdadrive. They have a tennis court. We can use
Yeah, we can use that. And guys, oh, may pang amenities. May tennis court.
Can we play tennis?
Yeah, kaso I don't know how to play. May tennis court dyan. Ito yung iba pang villa. Ibang pang villa dyan. And, try namin puntahan yung golf course, no? Baka pwede kami mag-rent ng ano, golf cart. Pero hindi kami mag-golf dahil di naman kami marunong mag-golf. Ayan, dito ulit kami sa Holiday Golf Club. Ayan. Oo nga eh. Baka wala tayong ano, ma-rent na ano, na golf cart. Ito yung papasok ko. Parang ranch area. Ngayon, diretso mo lang siguro, Hal. Tingnan natin, lo. Parang maganda yung ano eh, yung walkway. Tapos mag-park tayo. Tapos lakad-lakad lang tayo. And guys, may trail naman yan. So, tingnan lang natin.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Ito guys, oh. Ayan yung walkway dito. Taas ng part na yun, no? Ayan. So, maglakad-lakad siguro dito. Or mag-rent ng golf. Kung marunong ka mag-golf or mahilig ka mag-golf, no? I think it's a nice activity here. Bawat holiday club talaga, iba-iba yung ano nila, no? Ano ba tawag na ito? Activity, ano? Na pinagmamalaki. Like yung sa Florida, iba din sa Sheridan. Sa Sheridan, more on paddleboard, mga ganun-ganun. Grill, lodge, getaway. May pool din sila?
Yeah.
Bukas yun. Tingnan natin. Kapag-swimming si Klein. Ayun, ay, picture tayo dun. Ayan guys, pakita natin. Diretso mo. Ito mga ano, activity center nila dito.
Golf shop and cafe.
Ayan, golf shop and cafe, Holiday Hills.
Sabi ko sa'yo, pwede ka dito.
Ayan, tennis area guys.
May basketball din.
Oy, may basketball din, half court oh.
Pwede ba kayo
Ayan, overlooking,
basketball
oh.
na lang muna tayo.
Yeah, mamahirap tayo bola.
Badminton?
Yeah,
let's do
ayan.
badminton.
May ano doon. Ayan, magre-rent siya ng golf cart. Pero yung suit niya, pang swimming. Ha? Pero naka ano ka naman eh, oh, running shoes ka naman, oh. Pwede. Mukhang pwede. Outfit niya, di ba? And then pwede ka tumambay dito, guys. And then dito yun, overlooking. And then yung basketball court, sa yung tennis court. And then pwede ka mag-rent ng mga ano dito, gamit, no? Bola, racket para sa ano, tennis. And syempre yung sa pang golf. And syempre guys, ngayon lang namin nakita. Meron pala sila ditong campground, no? So punta namin yung campground. Tingnan natin.
Malaki kasi itong Holiday Hills
Dito sa Branson.
Yung mga president's room. Kasi
Pinnacle Building. President Room. Ayan guys. Oh.
Yun talaga yung mga malalaking room.
Ayan, talaga pataas, taas baba dito guys. Kasi mabundok talaga siya. So guys, ito na yung campground nila. Ayan. So, diyan ka pwede mag-camp. May swimming pool din, no? Nandun. Ayan guys, ito kami ngayon sa activity center. Naglalaro, oh. Kala mo naman may nilalaro. Ha, geng. Ate, picture. Si ma'am, nag-billiard na naman. Han, paano kukuha ka ng token? Ang gusto mo, ha? Ayun, may nakita na namang isang may Lego area, Pac-Man, tapos may mga crane dito, guys. Wanna get one? Let's get some coin. Let's go. Ano ba to? Hindi. Course. Let's go. Coins? Let's go get coins. Huh? Hi guys, ayan, nakarent na kami ng bola. And then, ayun, may magcha-challenge daw sa akin guys, no? Ha? Anong laro natin, Claire? Pickleball. Guys, di ako nagpi-pickleball or hindi ako marunong mag-pickleball, no? Or any racket sports related rackets na may rackets. And si Claire daw, magaling. Can I have highlights of you?
Sure.
When we have one-on-one?
Yeah.
And guys, so babalik na kami doon sa court. And see you na lang later. Let's go. And nagbilyar na pala kami ni Andrea kanina. And si Klein. Baka mamayang gabi, after namin gumala sa Branson, bumalik kami dito after ng swimming. And paglaroin namin ng arcade si Klein. Right? Ito yung magandang bolo. Gusto ko. Ang cool. Ayan guys, oh, may design. So, yun guys, punta na kami dun sa court. See you later. Hi guys, so dito na kami sa court. Ayan yung basketball court guys, overlooking yan dyan. Pero, may nag-challenge kasi sa akin. And, ang sabi niya is magpi-pickleball daw kami, no? So, ang scoring is 1 to 5. Right? Do you think you're gonna win from?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna win. So, after na ito, mag-basketball kami doon. Pero, guys, ito, first time kong maglaro ng ganito. So, tingnan natin, no? Let's see. Nagpaan na. Ate, ito daw yung first na kalaban mo. Si Klein. Ayun. Ate, maglaro daw kayo. Oh. Oh, di ba? Dapat dito lang, be. Close lang. Ayan, oh. Oh, di ba? Ayan, guys. Maglalaro lang kami, guys. Let's go. Go. One zero.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell.
Galing nga.
Oh, it's like
Ah,
we've
2-0.
always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that
3-0.
this
Ano ba yan, Hal?
feeling is taking
Alright.
over.
Oh, 3-2 na.
Can we take our time? I wanna savor
Out.
every thought on my mind.
Yabang,
Of
oh.
you and I getting together.
Oh, wait. Again. Yeah. Oh, on 4.
I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on.
Talo. Ang next.
Kiss you. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers. All I wanna do is feel you on my skin. Oh, let this feeling take me over. The way you take your time makes everything better. We're just on my mind. Now here we are getting together. Gotta tell ya, gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel special. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. Gotta tell ya, gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya.
No, that's it.
So come
Okay, let's just say green is out, okay?
over. I wanna touch, kiss
Green is out.
the way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. Ever wanted. I'm smooth, I'm classic. Can't look, but you can't have it. Got that good, good magic. I hook you like a magnet. They say, ooh, they love it. So cool, it's just a habit. Spread the news, yeah, I run it. And yeah, they all about it. I wanna get real loud and throw a party. I wanna scream and shout with everybody. I wanna start a crowd in the July heat. And we'll jump up and down, keep moving our feet. Life is better when we dance together. Easy like a hot summer night. We're not young forever, so it's now or never. Gonna have the time of my life. Ooh, watch out, I'm headed for the top, 'cause I get green. Let's go like Monopoly, can't
Hi guys, ayan. Sorry, medyo sabog yung buhok natin guys, no?
Mainit, guys.
Mainit, tas mahangin. And ayun, napasarap kami ng laro guys. Basketball sa pickleball. Sobrang enjoy.
Yes.
And ayun, pagod na pagod siya. Siguro guys, dito ko na muna tatapusin yung vlog guys. Iko-continue ko na lang sa separate vlog yung travel namin or gala namin mamaya sa Shepherd of the Hill and kung saan pa man kami mapadpad mamaya. Kasi medyo mahaba na tong vlog and kasi na-enjoy namin kung ano-ano nagawa namin. Ayun guys, again maraming salamat guys. Ingat kayo parati and God bless. Abangan nyo yung susunod na vlog. Let's go!